in the gray and yellow. Here's Alex Morgan, her first touch. Becky Edwards. And that ball out of play.
Something else to keep an eye on, I think, Alan, turnovers, especially in your own defensive third. Both of these teams are far
Brody.
too talented. They will capitalize if you make a mistake. So that's something to watch for. In both the earlier matchups, I went back to their first matchup this year, and the first goal for Philadelphia became,
intimidating,
because of that, a turnover, and they were able to make the most of it.
That goal back in the first meeting was the first time all season long the Flash had trailed.
Brody.